Hi, in this video we're going to introduce how to make your agent emit the RBD physics object and use that to simulate something like the archer, and also we are going to use that to simulate some people the hit by the arrow and done. So let's open our example file, the sample, the 106 agent emit RBD. Let's open that. And you can see that inside of this scene, this is a very simple one. There are two agent types, the agent archer and the agent casual. And the archer, we just put it in the character region inside of the scene for your reference. You can see that we can play back a loop of this archer. The put outside the arrow and shoot that, and then with that loop, the arrows they put back to the back of the agent. So this is a kind of loop. And another agent type is just a simple one without any of the special setup, just a human being. And when we place our agents, you can see that the archer is playback the shooting done, the action by a loop, and this agent is actually playing back the stand action without any of the special. What I'm going to do is pretty much emit the arrow from the yellow agent and shoot the RBD object forward. And when the RBD object collide with the pink agent will hold the arrow and done, and with the force field push. So let's first make our agent shoot the arrow. So let's create our RBD emitter. So the RBD create RBD emitter, and open the agent RBD emitter editor, and let's just select the RBD emitter and change the mode of the emitter type to agent action from the agent action the mode. And then let's just keep selecting this and fill the content for the shooting condition. So the action name of the agent is the shoot done, and the bone name should be let's just hide this setup and unhide the origin agent. The bone name should be this one. This is arrow. You can see that we are going to emit the RBD the object from this bone and this arrow. Let's just copy and paste. Control C and put the name right here and hit enter, and select this again. And what the frame of that is, let's just test this out. We're going to emit this about 70% of this action, and the 85%. Let's open our action and see that the shoot done. And here you can see that there are about 39 and 80% is about 30. So let's just fill that the contents from 30 to the 31. So this is the frame of the shooting. Let's just run the simulation and see what will happen. You can see that the object has been shot out, but the shape is not correct. Let's just change that shape a little bit. The box 10. It's not correct, and make that in the Z direction. So this time should be correct, and the frame speed, how about 100? Oh, this time is okay, and our agent is emitting the arrow. to the agent of the pink agent. And this is the setup of the RBD emitter. That is pretty simple. And then let's set up the logic for the detection agent. So let's just switch the activation agent from the ranger to the casual, so that we can add the logic for the casual agent. So let's create our logic, and before that we needed to enable the RBD emitter collide fill. So you can see that we already hide the bone shape. Let's just show them out. So we showed this out. We need to select the let's just hide the ranger. We select some of the bones of the agent, such as the chest, the stomach, and the torso, and we needed to turn this collide fill on. Let's just change that to 1. We already turned on some of them, but please make sure and double check this again and make sure the collide fill on. And let's create the logic for this. Collide arrow, done. And let's fill the contents. And in the input language, we needed to fill the RBD emitter, the contact bone. Please notice that the differences between the marked bone collide and the RBD emitter contact bone collide, they are different. This one is collide with the dynamic object, and this one is collide with the RBD object and with the hold contact event, because the hold contact event is kind of inverse tailing from this RBD object. So we needed to use this RBD emitter contact dynamic bone, and with this we needed to enable our dynamics, and we also needed to set this collide event, the contact event, from dynamics to the hold. So let's run the simulation. Let's place our agents and set reset, and collapse these options and run the simulation. You can see that the agent is shooting, and once that hit the agent done. And how about we add some of the force to this the RBD object? So what we're going to do is here we needed to fill this dynamic with force. Enable dynamic with force, and the force about 500. To run the simulation again. Oh, this force is too big. Let's just change that to about 50. So at this time the result is much better. You can use this to simulate the archer and the ranger and anything you like. So this is our introduction for how to emit your agent with the RBD object, and how to interact with them, and for example simulate some agent being hit by this arrow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.